Hello, I'm Dan Dooling, your family-focused, Florida-first, native real estate agent with G-World Properties. With offices in Orlando, Kissimmee, Tampa, Miami Doral, and the Space Coast. We have an army of agents that cover the entire state of Florida. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, moving to Florida, or around Florida, our army can help make your transition easier. So give Dan Dooling a call at 305-608-2806 or visit dandooling.com and put the Army to work for you.